Hello and welcome back, or welcome if you're new. My name is Mandy. I like to talk about makeup panning, and things that happen in my real life. Today I have my finale for the Child of the 80s Project Pan, so stay tuned. Alright, this is the Child of the 80s Project Pan. It was created by Jalon. And it is a Fantastic Ladies collab group project. It started at the beginning of January and ends at the end of the year, which is now. Oh my god. Eek. It is all about the 80s. It is a roulette style project where Jalon created 80 prompts for us to try and get through. I did my good share, but I didn't get anywhere near all 80 prompts, and that's okay. As long as my products get used and I have fun along the way. This project is not coming back next year, sadly, but hopefully it'll come back the year, in 2024. We can hope, cross our fingers, that we can talk Jalon into bringing the project back, because I think everybody really enjoyed it. So let's get into the products I was working on and see what I finished and what I didn't. And pardon my stuffiness, I am still recovering from COVID. So, yay, that's going to be a while of stuffiness. It's fine. It's also the time of year where my allergies and sinuses just don't like the world, because right now, outside, it is freezing precipitation. I'm not going to say the S word, but it is freezing precipitation outside. So, anyway, back to the project. I was currently still working on 8 prompts. That is what the goal was. So, first prompt I was working on is It Takes Two, a duo or dual-ended product. For that, I brought in this little deluxe thing from Shayna B. I got from Ipsy. And this is what it looks like. It is mauve, MIA Mauve and Ice Palace. They're okay. There's no big impact. I am wearing them today, but they got buried under a bunch of other things that had a little more impact. So they were my base layer. And my goal was to use them 5 times. As of the last update, I had only used them 3 times. Or 2. I can't keep track of what was what. Unfortunately, I was only able to use it 1 more time, and so I'm only used it 4 times out of 5. Did not meet my goal on that one. It was just something I didn't find myself reaching for because the colors are lackluster, but I'm gonna not declutter it or anything. I'm just gonna keep it around and try and use it for more laid back, less makeup days. Anyway. The next product I brought in is for Air Jordans, a highly sought after product. And for that, I brought in my highly sought after Not Your Mother's Tahitian Gardenia Flower and Mango Butter Curl Defining Shampoo. I feel like this brand is very sought after, and I have it. My goal was to use it 5 times, and I did that. At the last update, I had used it 3 times. I used it 2 more. It's hard to see, but I marked it right here when we brought it in, and that was the last update, and that was we made a little teeny bit of progress. It's fine. And I only used it so frequently because I only use it when I'm at home, because I can't take this big bottle with me, and I'm working on travel size shampoos at the moment. When those travel size shampoos are done, I will then decant this into a travel size bottle. But I did meet my goal on that of using it 5 times, and so that is a goal complete. Yay! Next is the prompt, oh my god! That is a favorite or shocking item. For that, I brought in my BH Cosmetics Venom palette, and I brought in the shade Deadly Bite, which is this one right here that looks white. And my goal was to use it 5 times. I used it probably 6 or 7 times. So I met my goal on that. It is a very beautiful white with a blue shimmer. I'm not going to swatch anything right now. I'm sorry. Go back and watch other videos if you want to see the swatches. But I did meet my goal on that one. Yay! So 2 goals met, 1 not met. And then for the Rubik's Cube, a colorful item, I brought in another eyeshadow palette. This is my Trendy in Tokyo because it is a very colorful eye palette. That's why I bought it. And I randomly selected the shade Cherry Blossom, which is this pink one up here. My goal was to use it 5 times, and unfortunately at the last update, or since I rolled it in, I only used it once. I used it today in the inner half of my eye look, which also got covered up with something else. Just not having a good time with these shadows, so I only used it twice, so I did not meet my goal on this. Surprisingly, pinks are not one of my preferred colors. I don't reach for them, but I'm going to try and reach for them more in the future. But I did not meet my goal on that, so that's 2 not met, 2 met. And then next, what I rolled in last month, What's Love Got to Do With It, an average product, and for that I brought in my deluxe sample size of the Tarte Ultra Creamy Shape Tape Concealer. My goal was to use it 5 times. I use it every time I do my makeup, so I've used it more than 5 times, and I've even taken the stopper out because it was getting hard to get any product on it, and it was a struggle to get the stopper out. Let me tell you, this little guy, that stopper did not want to come out. I broke a nail a couple times trying to get it out, but I got it out and I used it the 5 times, so goal met on that. Next is for Valley Girl, something shiny or glossy, and for that I brought in, is hiding behind something else, this lip gloss from LCB, which I don't remember what LCB stands for, and this is in the shade Romantic. I am wearing it today with nothing else. This is just the lip gloss by itself, and it's quite nice. It's a nice light pink, and my goal was to use it 5 times, and I've used it at least 6, including today, so goal met on that one. I think you're seeing a trend here. Maybe. We'll see. Next is for Push It, a product you push out of the package, and for me that was this, because I have to squeeze really hard to get the product out. So this, what is this? This is the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie with Silk Protein and Neem Oil. It is a very thick product that should not be in a squeeze tube, in my opinion. My goal was to use it twice, and I have used it more than twice. I've used it more than twice, but that was my goal, and so that is a goal met for that one. Yay! And last but not least, my gimme was for Relax, a favorite bath or pampering product, and for that I brought in a face mask from Beauty Host, this Rose Moisturizing Mask. One-time use, and I used it when you're recovering from being sick, and you don't do your skincare, sometimes you need a mask. So I did that. So out of the prompts I had left, I met all but 2. That was the 2 eyeshadows, the Shayna and the Trendy in Tokyo. I met all 6 of my other prompts. Met goals on all the 6 of my other prompts. So that means I completed, in this project of 80 prompts, I completed 35 prompts with 2 uncompleted, so I got to 37 of the prompts. Almost half. Not bad. I could have done better, but I'm really proud of what I did. And yeah, if you're proud of what I did too, give it a great big thumbs up, or if you just like this video, please, I would appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button while you're there. Turn on the notifications so you know every time I upload a video and when I post on my community tab. And that is all for Child of the 80s. So until my next video, take care of yourselves, stay true to you, and I will see you later. Bye!